Welcome back, boys and girls. So my name is Ms. Juarez, and today we are going to be learning all about the letter T. If you watched my videos from a couple of weeks ago, we learned all about the letter S and the letter M, and today we are going to be focusing our learning on the letter T. So to start off, let's think about what's happening inside of our mouths when we're making the t sound. Close your eyes and think, what is happening when you're making that t sound? If you notice, boys and girls, the tip of your tongue is touching that bumpy part on the upper part of your mouth, and then the sides of your tongue are touching the inside of your upper molars. And then when you're making the t sound, the tip of your tongue lowers a little bit, and that's how you make the t sound. So let's practice a few more times. Remember to practice at home. Good job. So now let's see if we can sing about the letter T using our letter T song. Ready? So even if you don't know all the words, boys and girls, you probably know how it goes because you know the song Jingle Bells. Ready? So let's sing it together. Letter T. Letter T makes the t sound. Whether it's a capital or a lowercase t. Whether it's a capital or a lowercase t. Great job. Okay, let's sing it one more time. Ready? Letter T. Letter T makes the t sound. Whether it's a capital or a lowercase t. Whether it's a capital or a lowercase t. Okay, pat yourselves on the back. So now that we've sung about the letter T, let's look at different ways that the letter T can look like. So let's look at our chart of letter T's. If you notice, there are uppercase and lowercase t's in the chart. And despite all the different ways that the letter T can look like, with the fonts that we have here, or even the way that you write the letter T at home, most uppercase T's have something in common. They have something that's similar, and that is that they have a tall line going from top to bottom, and then a line across the top. And the lowercase t's, if you can find them amongst all the different letters in the chart, lowercase t's are similar in that they have a tall line. Some are fancy in that they curve at the bottom, but instead of having a line across the top, they have a line across the middle. Do you notice that, boys and girls? So again, uppercase t's, no matter the font, they are similar in that they have a tall line and then a line across the top. And then lowercase t's have a tall line but a line across the middle. So now let's see if we can practice finding the letter T amongst different letters in a row. Ready? So let's look at our first row of letters, all those yellow letters. Now think, which one is the letter T? Point to it. You got it? Okay, now let's look at our next row of letters, all those green letters, and think, which one is the letter T? Point to it. Great job. Okay, now let's look at the last row of letters. Ready? Those blue letters. And think, which one is the letter T? Point to it. Awesome. Okay, now let's look at some pictures. Ready? And in all these pictures, boys and girls, the first sound when we say the word for the picture has the t sound at the beginning. So as you're reading the word in your head, think which letter matches that t sound. Which one is the letter T? Ready? Okay, so let's look at our first picture. It's of a turtle. Turtle. So think, boys and girls, which one is the letter T? Point to it. Good job. Okay, let's look at our next picture. It's of a tiger. Tiger. Okay, boys and girls, which one is the letter T? Point to it. Let's keep going. Let's look at our next picture. It's of a turkey. Turkey. So think, which one is the letter T? Fantastic. Okay, let's keep going. So our next picture is that of tomatoes. Tomatoes. So think, which one is the letter T? Point to it. Awesome. Okay. Let's look at our next picture. It's of a teddy bear. Teddy bear. So think, which one is the letter T? Terrific. Okay. Our next picture, don't get scared, is of a tarantula. Tarantula. So think, which one is the letter T? Okay. We have only a few more pictures left. So our next picture is of a special type of flower. It's a specific flower. It's called a tulip. Tulip. So think, boys and girls, which one is the letter T? Point to it. Yay! Okay, we have one more picture left. Ready? It's of tacos. Tacos. So think, which one is the letter T? Point to it. There you go. Did you get them all right? So now that we've practiced doing our sound for the letter T and practice matching the letter T with the sound that it makes, let's see if we can practice writing the letter T. So let's look at our video right here. And as we're watching the letter T being made, notice again, boys and girls, that the uppercase T starts with a nice and tall line from top to bottom, a line across the top, and then the lowercase t, in this case it's a little fancy, it's going from top to bottom, it curves a little bit, and then the line is actually across the middle. So let's watch that a few more times and zoom in. Remember to practice at home if you want. Trace with your finger as the letter T is being made. Remember, the uppercase T has a nice and tall line with a line across the top, and the lowercase t has a nice and tall line with a line across the middle. Okay, practice that a few more times. Okay, so let's come back together. So now let's practice making some letter T's together, okay? So make sure you have your pen and paper or your whiteboard and marker out at home, and let's do some letter T's together. So for the letter T, for an uppercase T, you start from top to bottom with the line across the top. And notice how I'm really paying attention to those lines that I have there to make sure my letter T's are nice and neat. And for my lowercase t, you have another nice and tall line and a line across the middle on the dotted line if you have this paper at home. Do you see that, boys and girls? So let's practice a few more together. Tall line for the uppercase T, line across the top though, and lowercase t, tall line, line across the middle. Let's do a few more. There you go. So make sure at home that you fill out your paper with uppercase and lowercase t's. Okay? Well, thank you for working with me today. I can't wait to work with you tomorrow. Bye-bye.